Hello, fifth grade. I'm so glad that you are here. Today we're going to do a short review about how about plus verb in ing. So remember that we always start our questions by using how about, and then next to how about is going to be a verb. It can be different, there can be lots of different verbs that we can use next to how about, but remember that whichever the verb is that you are going to choose need to be in gerund. Okay, how about going to the cinema this evening? How about having pasta for lunch? How about watching a movie? How about playing a game? Okay, and there can be different types of answers. You can say, okay, I love playing. Okay, I like to play. Or for example, okay, I enjoy playing. Okay, I'm interested in. I'm good at. But it can be no thanks. I don't like playing. I don't like drawing. I don't like reading. Okay. Remember that you need to use also the verbs in gerund in your answers. Right now we are going to do activities on page 10 and 11. We have readings, but they are also listenings. So I need you to open your books, but if you don't have it, you need to download the pages that I'm going to add to the assignments, so you can keep the reading because these ones are not that clear. So yeah, we're going to start by activities on page 10, and we have left brain or right brain. Activity 13 says, listen and read which side of your brain might be stronger if you're good at acting. So we're going to listen, and then we're going to come back and complete the activity that is activity 14.
Student's Book, page 10. Activity 13. Listen and read. Which side of your brain might be stronger if you're good at acting? Left-brained or right-brained?
Did you know that what you're good at doing might have something to do with the side of your brain you use most? Left-brained people are logical and practical. They're good at analyzing details. They enjoy doing things like solving math problems and playing chess. Right-brained people are creative and imaginative. They're good at activities like painting and acting. But there are also scientists who say that although there may be some truth in this theory, things aren't so simple. They add that the brain works in a very complicated way, and we don't know everything about it yet.
Which side of your brain is stronger?
If you would like to find out which side of your brain is stronger, take this short quiz. Choose A or B to answer each question. 1. Do you prefer going to A, math lessons, or B, art lessons? 2. Do you like A, planning everything, or B, not planning at all? 3. Do you like A, a lot of instructions, or B, not many instructions? 4. Do you remember things more easily A, with words, or B, with pictures? 5. When you meet people, do you remember A, their name, or B, their face? 6. When you read a story, do you look for A, details, or B, the big picture? How did you score? If you have more A's, the left side of your brain may be stronger. If you have more B's, the right side is probably stronger. Now think about the kinds of activities you like to do. Do they match your brain type?
Okay, as the activity says here, if you would like to find out which side of your brain is stronger, take this short quiz. Choose A or B to answer each question, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can cross or underline your answer A or B. And then remember that here you have the results. If you have more A's, the left side of your brain is stronger. But if you have more B's, the right side of your brain is probably the stronger. So, what's your stronger side of your brain? Okay, right now we are going to go to activity 14. Look at the passage, circle the correct words. Okay, this is about the reading, about the comprehension. Number 1, left brain people like playing chess or acting. Number 2, most people have a strong side or only one side of their brain. Number 3, both sides, the stronger side of the brain is connected with what we're good at. Okay, you just need to underline, circle, okay, circle one of these two options, and that's it. We are going to go to the next page so we can finish this session. So let's listen to activities 15 and
Student's Book, page 11. Activity 15. Listen and read. Which of the events were part of the 1900 Olympics? You'd never guess these were Olympic sports.
Some of the early modern Olympic events are the same ones we see today, but some of them came and went so fast that few people remember that they once were part of the Olympic Games.
Skijoring.
The name skijoring means ski driving in Norwegian. In this sport, a horse pulls a person on skis over a racecourse covered in snow. It actually looks a lot like water skiing. This strange sport from Norway was part of the Winter Olympics only once, in 1928. Dogs or a motor vehicle instead of a horse pull the skier in variations of this sport.
Hot air ballooning.
During the Paris Olympics of 1900, hot air ballooning was introduced to the Olympic Games. Players competed to see how far and high they could go or how long they could stay in the air.
Tug of war.
Did you know that in 1900, 1904, 1908, 1912, and 1920, tug of war, a popular game with children all over the world, was a regular Olympic event? The Olympic tug of war competition had 8 players at each end of a long rope. The team that pulled the other team 2 meters won the event. In the 5 years of this Olympic game, Great Britain won the most medals in this event.
Okay, now that it's finished, you need to match these 3 pictures with the paragraphs. This is letter A, B, and C. Okay, you have skijoring, hot air ballooning, and tug of war. So you just need to add, it's really easy. So exercise 16 says, look at the passage and put the sentences in the correct place. Okay, and that's what you are going to do. Letter A, this is letter A, B, C, and you're going to match it. Letter A, you could say that for your British team, winning was child's play. Letter B, it's still played in countries where there's a lot of snow in the winter. Letter C, they also had to land as close as possible to a spot mark on the ground. That's it. These are the activities for today. If you have questions about it, you can send a message to me and I'll be happy to answer to all of your questions. I'll be waiting to meet you at the Zoom meeting in 2 days. Try to be on time, try to be there. If you have some activities or some ideas that we can do at the Zoom meeting or would you like to do, and you can text me and I'll be glad to answer. I'll see you the next time. Don't forget to send pictures of your activities. Remember that if you don't have the book yet, you can copy the answers on your notebook and that will be better than okay. I'll see you the next time. Bye.